Imagine building your own smartphone. Picture yourself surrounded by tiny components, each one a crucial piece of the puzzle. The screen, the battery, the processor, all waiting to be assembled into a cohesive whole. A device crafted with your own hands, reflecting your vision and creativity. It's not just a gadget, it's a manifestation of your ingenuity and perseverance. It seems impossible, a task for tech giants, not individuals. The sheer complexity of the components and the precision required can be daunting. But the truth is, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Each small action, each component placed, brings you closer to your goal. Building a smartphone from scratch is an ambitious endeavor, a testament to human ingenuity. It requires patience, precision, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. While challenging, it is not insurmountable. With the right guidance and resources, anyone can embark on this journey. This guide will demystify the process, breaking it down into manageable steps. From understanding the basic components to the final assembly, every detail will be covered. We'll explore the sourcing of raw materials, the intricacies of hardware and software design, and the delicate art of assembly. Each phase is crucial and requires careful attention. Get ready to delve into the fascinating world of smartphone creation. Safety is paramount, and precision is key. Every solder, every connection must be perfect. It's time to embark on a journey of technological exploration, where each step brings you closer to holding your very own creation. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you power on your self-built smartphone for the first time is unparalleled. This is more than just a project, it's a testament to your dedication and skill. Building a smartphone is like constructing a complex puzzle. Each piece, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the final product. Just as a puzzle requires patience and precision, so does the creation of a smartphone. Every component must fit perfectly with the others to ensure the device functions seamlessly. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand the key components and the steps involved. This process starts with a clear plan, much like a roadmap guiding us through each stage of development. From the initial concept to the final assembly, every step is meticulously planned and executed. Firstly, we need the raw materials, the fundamental elements that form the physical device. These materials are sourced from various parts of the world, each contributing to the smartphone's structure and functionality. Metals like aluminum and copper are essential for the casing and internal wiring, while silicon is crucial for the chips that power the device. Think metals for the casing, silicon for the chips, and lithium for the battery. These materials undergo rigorous processing to meet the high standards required for smartphone manufacturing. The metal sheets are molded and shaped to form the sleek exterior, while the silicon wafers are carefully sliced and treated to create the intricate circuits. Secondly, we need a blueprint, a detailed design of the hardware. This blueprint serves as the foundation for the entire device, outlining the placement of each component and ensuring everything fits together perfectly. Engineers spend countless hours perfecting these designs, using advanced software to simulate the final product. This includes the circuit board, the brain of our smartphone, housing the processor, memory, and other essential components. The circuit board is a marvel of modern engineering, with layers of conductive pathways that connect all the different parts of the device. Each connection must be precise to ensure the smartphone operates efficiently. Then comes the display, the window to the digital world, and the camera, capturing memories with the click of a button. The display is crafted from high-quality glass and advanced materials to provide a clear and responsive touch interface. Meanwhile, the camera system is designed with multiple lenses and sensors to deliver stunning photos and videos. Thirdly, we need to breathe life into our creation with software. The software is what makes the hardware come alive, transforming a collection of components into a functional device. Developers write millions of lines of code to create the operating system, which manages all the hardware and provides a user-friendly interface. This is where the operating system, the apps, and all the functionalities that make a smartphone smart come into play. From the moment you power on the device, the software ensures everything runs smoothly, from making calls to browsing the internet. Apps add even more functionality, allowing users to customize their experience and access a wide range of services. Finally, we assemble all the pieces, meticulously putting them together to create the final product. This assembly process is a blend of automated machinery and skilled human labor, ensuring each smartphone meets the highest quality standards. Once assembled, the devices undergo rigorous testing to ensure they perform flawlessly before reaching the hands of consumers. Our journey begins at the source, tracing the origins of the raw materials. Metals like gold and copper are extracted from mines around the world. These precious metals, known for their conductivity, are essential for the intricate circuitry within our smartphones. Silicon, the heart of our processors, is derived from sand, a surprisingly abundant source. The journey from sand to a microchip is a testament to human innovation, involving complex purification and fabrication processes. Then there's lithium, a key component of our batteries, sourced from brine pools and hard rock deposits. These raw materials, often traveling across continents, undergo numerous transformations, highlighting the global nature of our technological dependence. Section 4. Designing the hardware blueprints of technology. With the raw materials at hand, we move to the design phase, where the blueprint of our smartphone takes shape. This is a critical stage in the development process, as it lays the foundation for everything that follows. The design phase is where creativity meets precision, and every detail must be meticulously planned and executed. Engineers and designers collaborate closely, bringing their expertise to the table to create a cohesive and functional design. The blueprint serves as a roadmap, guiding the team through the complexities of smartphone construction. This is where computer-aided design, or CAD software, becomes our drawing board. CAD software allows for precise and detailed designs, enabling engineers to visualize and manipulate every aspect of the smartphone. It provides a virtual environment where ideas can be tested and refined before any physical prototypes are made. The use of CAD software streamlines the design process, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring that the final product meets all specifications. Engineers meticulously craft each component, from the motherboard, the central nervous system of the phone, to the smallest connectors and circuits. The motherboard is a complex piece of technology that integrates all the essential components, allowing them to communicate and function together seamlessly. It is designed with precision to ensure optimal performance and reliability. Every trace, every connection is carefully planned and tested to meet the highest standards. To the camera module, capturing moments in time. The camera module is another critical component, designed to deliver high-quality images and videos. Engineers work on optimizing the lens, sensor, and image processing algorithms to ensure that the camera performs well in various lighting conditions and scenarios. The goal is to create a camera that not only captures beautiful images but also integrates seamlessly with the rest of the smartphone's hardware and software. The circuit board, a marvel of miniaturization, houses the processor, the brain of the operation, memory chips storing data, and other essential components. The processor is designed to handle complex computations and run multiple applications simultaneously, providing a smooth and responsive user experience. Memory chips store data and ensure quick access to information, enhancing the overall performance of the smartphone. The circuit board is a testament to the advancements in technology, packing immense power into a small and compact form factor. And communication modules enabling connectivity. These modules are responsible for connecting the smartphone to cellular networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other wireless technologies. Engineers test and optimize these modules to ensure reliable and fast connectivity, allowing users to stay connected wherever they go. The design and integration of communication modules are crucial for the smartphone's functionality, as they enable seamless communication and data transfer. The design process is a delicate dance between functionality and aesthetics, ensuring the components fit seamlessly within the sleek exterior of our smartphone. Designers work on creating a visually appealing and ergonomic design that enhances the user experience. They consider factors such as the placement of buttons, the curvature of the edges, and the overall look and feel of the device. The goal is to create a smartphone that is not only powerful and functional, but also beautiful and comfortable to use, ensuring the components fit seamlessly within the sleek exterior of our smartphone. This stage involves fitting all the components into the smartphone case, ensuring that everything fits perfectly and functions as intended. Engineers use 3D models and simulations to test the fit and make any necessary adjustments. The goal is to create a compact and efficient design that maximizes the use of space while maintaining the integrity and performance of the components. This stage demands precision and expertise, as even the slightest miscalculation can impact the phone's performance and reliability. Engineers and designers use precision tools and techniques to measure and fit each component accurately. They conduct rigorous testing and quality checks to ensure that the final product meets all specifications and standards. The attention to detail and commitment to excellence at this stage are crucial for creating a high-quality smartphone, as even the slightest miscalculation can impact the phone's performance and reliability. The design team continuously reviews and refines the design, addressing any potential issues and making improvements as needed. This iterative process ensures that the final product is not only functional and reliable, but also innovative and cutting-edge. The collaboration and dedication of the entire team are what make the blueprint of technology come to life, resulting in a smartphone that meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Section 5. The software soul, breathing life into the machine. While the hardware forms the physical body, the software is the soul of our smartphone. This is where we encounter the operating system, the invisible force that manages resources and allows us to interact with the device seamlessly. Developers write millions of lines of code, creating the apps and functionalities that define the smartphone experience. From communication tools like messaging apps to entertainment platforms like video streaming services, each line of code adds a layer of complexity and functionality to the device. The software development process is iterative, involving constant testing and refinement to ensure a seamless user experience. It's a testament to human creativity, transforming lines of code into a world of endless possibilities within the palm of our hand.